Everybody gather round, it's time for Music Playground.
Hey, it's you! Hi, it's me, Miss Dana. I'm so happy you're here at Dana's Music Playground. Thanks for coming to see me today. I hope you're ready for some fun. Are you ready for some fun? Well, if you're ready, then put your fingers up by your head like this. Give them a shake and say, yeah. Okay, are you ready for some fun? Say, yeah. Hey, I think you are ready for some fun. I sure am. Oh, I wonder if Puffy the Cloud is ready for some fun too. Let's call for him and see if he'll come down. Let's say, hey, Puffy, together. All right, are you ready? Say, hey, Puffy. He's here. Hi there, Puffy. Did you say hi? Hi, Puffy. We're so happy you're here, Puffy. Oh, and Puffy, did you happen to bring a little something for us today? Oh, he did bring something. What did he bring? Yep, he brought eggs. Oh, but those don't look like regular eggs to me. Those eggs look like something maybe a bunny would bring. Or maybe they're egg shakers. Oh, Puffy, are those egg shakers? Oh, great idea, Puffy. We can have lots of fun with egg shakers today. Thanks, Puffy. Let's say bye to Puffy. Are you ready? Say, bye, Puffy. Bye, Puffy. There he went. Oh, egg shakers really are fun. And I happen to have an egg shaker right here. Do you happen to have an egg shaker too? Well, if you have an egg shaker, go get it and you can shake it with Miss Dana. Oh, did you hear that? An egg shaker makes a rattling sound. So if you don't have an egg shaker, that's fine. You can just find anything that makes a rattling sound when you shake it, like a rattle, or maybe a maraca, or just any old thing that makes a sound when you shake it. And don't worry, if you don't have anything to shake today, that's fine. You can just shake your hand like this with Miss Dana and pretend. And later on, I'll show you how you can make your very own shaker. I have a song we can do together and shake things up. It's called Shakin' Things Up. Let's do it together. Let's get shaken and shake things up. I like to shake my egg. I like to shake my egg as fast as I can go. I like to shake my egg. I like to shake it up high. I like to shake it down low. I like to shake my egg. I like to shake my egg while I'm shaking my leg. I like to shake it over there. I like to shake it over here and then shake it everywhere. Let's shake things up, let's shake them all around. Shake them to the sky, shake them to the ground. Shake them to the left, shake them to the right. We never want to stop, we're gonna shake them all night. I like to tap my egg. I like to tap my egg and then give a little clap. I like to roll my egg. I like to roll my egg and then give another clap. Let's shake things up, let's shake them all around. Shake them to the sky, shake them to the ground. Shake them to the left, shake them to the right. We never want to stop, we're gonna shake them all night. Can you shake your egg on your head? Now shake it on your shoulder. Now shake it on your elbow. Now give it a little ride down to your wrist. I like to shake my head. I can shake my head, yes, I can shake my head, no. I like to shake your hand. Let's shake hands and say hi, hello. Let's shake things up, let's shake them all around. Shake them to the sky, shake them to the ground. Shake them to the left, shake them to the right. We never It's time for our musical instrument of the day. Can you guess what it is? Yes, it's an egg shaker. Or really, any kind of shaker. Shakers are percussion instruments. They give a song a little beat. And they add an interesting sound, too. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own shaker. In the springtime, you can find a lot of plastic eggs in the store. Or maybe your grown-up even has one hiding in a basket somewhere. So if you can find an egg, open it up and then put something inside that'll rattle around when you give it a shake. Today I'm going to put some popcorn in this egg. So open your egg, get a few kernels of popcorn, drop them in, and then close up your egg nice and tight. Just to be sure, I like to put a piece of tape around my egg, just so it won't spill out everything accidentally. So now that it's closed up nice and tight, give it a shake. Hey, we made an egg shaker. Now, if you don't happen to have an egg, you can use another kind of container. I have this little plastic container here. We can put some other kinds of things in it too, like beans, or maybe better, jelly beans, or even some little rocks that you might find outside. So I'm going to put some jelly beans in this one. Now it's kind of hard to make these ones with jelly beans without eating them. I think I could do it. Now put the lid on nice and tight and you're ready to shake. Sounds pretty good. You can use bigger plastic containers or even just a coffee cup. Oh, let's try putting the beans in this one. Make sure the lid is on nice and tight and you're ready to shake. Here we go. Whoa, that one's a loud one. You can make your own shaker. Try it sometime. Now that we have something to shake, it's time for some rhymes. I'm going to shake my egg during the rhymes and say egg, but you can shake whatever you have. Oh, and if you still don't have anything to shake right now, that's okay. You can just shake your hand and pretend you've got a little egg inside. Okay, let's get shaken. Here we go. Everyone can shake their egg. Everyone can shake their egg. Everyone can shake their egg. And now it's time to stop. Oh, that's the stop sign. So when you see Miss Dana make the stop sign, be sure to stop shaking. Okay, let's try tapping. Here we go. Everyone can tap their egg. Everyone can tap their egg. Everyone can tap their egg. And now it's time to stop. Did you stop? Okay, let's try rolling. Here we go. Everyone can roll their egg. Everyone can roll their egg. Everyone can roll their egg. And now it's time to stop. This time, let's clap real big. Here we go. Everyone can clap their egg. Everyone can clap their egg. Everyone can clap their egg. And now it's time to stop. And now it's time to go. And now it's time to stop. And now it's time to go. And now it's time to go. And now it's time to stop. Did I get you on that one? Here's another little song we can shake with. It goes to the tune of Skip to My Lou. But we're not gonna skip. We're gonna shake. Here we go. Shake, shake, shake to my Lou. Shake, shake, shake to my Lou. Shake, shake, shake to my Lou. Shake to my Lou, my darling. Shake it down low. Shake it up high. Shake it down low. Shake it up high. Shake it down low. Shake it up high. Shake to my Lou, my darling. Shake, shake, shake it fast. Shake, shake, shake it slow. Shake, shake, shake it fast. Shake to my Lou, my darling. Shake, shake, shake it soft. Shake, shake, shake it loud. Shake, shake, shake it soft. Shake to my Lou, my darling. Shake it over here. Shake it over there. Shake it over here. Shake it over there. Shake it over here. Shake it over there. Shake to my Lou, my darling. I wonder if Busy Bee will bring a buzzword for us today. Let's buzz and see if she'll come. Are you ready? Buzz. She's here. Hi, Busy. Did you say hi to Busy? Hi, Busy. So, Busy, do you have a buzzword for us today? Oh, she does. It says, be creative. Oh, we were being creative when we made our shakers just now. You know, there's lots of ways that you can be creative, like when you're drawing or painting a picture or coloring with your crayons, you're being creative. Or whenever you make something with your hands, like when you make a shaker, that's being creative too. Or it may be just making up a little song and playing your shaker. That's another way to be creative. Well, it always makes me feel really happy to be creative. Thanks, Busy. That's a great buzzword. We'll see you next time, Busy. Bye-bye. There she went. One more little shaker rhyme, and this one goes to the tune of the Grand Old Duke of York. Are you ready? Let's go. Egg shakers up, egg shakers down, egg shakers dancing all around the town. Shake it on your shoulder, shake it on your head, shake it on your hand, and then tuck it into bed. Good night, little shaker. It's almost time to say bye-bye. But before we go, Miss Dana has a question for you. And today I'm wondering, how do you like to be creative? Do you like to make pictures or make things with your hands? Or maybe there's another way that you like to be creative. I bet you can guess that Miss Dana likes to be creative by making up songs and rhymes. Be sure to let me know how you like to be creative. And be sure to always remember to be kind. Miss Dana loves you, and I can't wait to see you again. So come back soon. Bye for now.
We had some fun. Come back soon. Thanks for stopping by.
Be sure to click on Miss Dana in the cloud to subscribe so you can always find me. See you soon.